Xiaomi just unleashed the YU7, an electric SUV ready to take on Tesla's Model Y in China. With a jaw-dropping 835-kilometer range and Ferrari-inspired luxury, this EV is a game-changer. Stick around to see why it's turning heads. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech. If you're hyped for the EV revolution, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech drops. Let's dive into Xiaomi's YU7. Xiaomi's charging into the EV race with the YU7, a stunning SUV launched on May 22, 2025, to rival Tesla's Model Y in China. Powered by the Super Motor V6s Plus, this beast pumps out 690 horsepower and hits a top speed of 253 kilometers per hour. Its 96.3 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 835 kilometer of range on a single charge, crushing the Model Y's range in style. Available in 3 variants, Standard, Pro, and Max, the YU7 offers something for every driver. The YU7's design screams luxury, with a front end echoing Xiaomi's SU7 sedan and an interior inspired by the Ferrari Purosangue. Think Nappa leather seats, soft touch surfaces, dual zero-gravity front seats with massage functions, and adjustable rear seats for ultimate comfort. Pick from emerald green, titanium silver, or lava orange exteriors, with 3 interior color options to match. Plus, its 800V platform supports super-fast 5.2C charging, 10 to 80% in just 12 minutes. The YU7 hits Chinese showrooms in July 2025, with pricing still under wraps, but expected to start around 300,000 yuan. Want the full scoop on how it stacks up against Tesla? Xiaomi's YU7 is set to shake up the EV world in 2025. Which feature has you most excited? The insane range, Ferrari vibes, or lightning-fast charging? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay plugged in with GadInsider for more tech news.